看传奇一切，对唱听完，终于出现。读满长音无需流连竹篮中催发，执手相看泪眼轻无语。
Orange-flavored crab meat, a famous dish in Song Dynasty. Crab meat is steamed with orange juice, wine and vinegar. Crab stuffed orange is a popular government dish in Lin and during Song Dynasty. In addition, it was used to serve countries' leaders at the G20 summit. Today, we are going to talk about how to make it. First of all, you need cut the top of a fresh orange, sunkish orange, then scoop out the pulp and strain on the juice, but leave a little pulp inside. Just serve orange peel as an orange cup. The next is to steam hairy crabs. Remove the crab meat and crab roe, add carved flowers, sugar and vinegar, stir fry with orange meat and orange juice, put the fried crab powder into the orange cup and cover with the orange lid. After that, take a small bowl, add a little chrysanthemum, vinegar and fragrant snow wine. Then put the orange cup into a small bowl and wrap it in paper. Steaming in the cage for more than 10 minutes is the final step, then remove and plate. That is all. Crab meat is rich in protein and trace elements and has a good nourishing effect on the body. What's more, crabs have the functions of clearing heat and detoxifying, supplementing bone and marrow, nourishing tendons and promoting blood circulation, benefiting limb segments.